Fully automatic servo gummy candy production line machine. Sugar melting. The amount of water added when melting sugar generally varies with the characteristics of the type of candy product. When the sugar solution reaches a higher concentration, its viscosity increases rapidly, and it is difficult to remove excess sugar in the sugar paste using general heating and evaporation methods. Moisture. In order to avoid chemical changes caused by boiling sugar at a higher temperature. Candy forming machine. Continuous casting molding. The characteristic of the continuous casting molding process is that when the cooked sugar paste is still in a rheological state, the liquid syrup is quantitatively poured into the continuously running mold plate, and then quickly cooled and shaped, falls off and separates from the mold plate. Packaging. Packaging is an excellent means of protection for candies. The role of packaging is to prevent or delay qualitative deterioration.